Meet our baseline solution for automatic case erecting and bag placing.
A budget and user-friendly machine for any manufacturing company using bag-in-box packaging.
That's the CombiKIS. KISS stands for Keep It Simple, and that's what we did.
We built a reliable, low-maintenance machine that erects cases and places pre-made bags.
The CombiKIS runs 6 boxes per minute and is perfect for small to medium production runs with low variation.
Its very small footprint fits any production line or operates standalone. Operating the CombiKIS is as simple as it gets. Just load the blanks, add a stack of bags and you're good to go.
No film feeding, no cutting, no taping and no waste. And strange as it sounds, pre-made bags are always cheaper than bags from a roll.
The CombiKIS is unique because it can use bags even as thin as 10 microns, helping to reduce plastic consumption. You want some extra convenience? Add a two-sided bag storage for 24/7 production, or a heightened frame for boxes up to 650 millimeters.
Our promise is an affordable all-in-one case erector and bag inserter that guarantees you the lowest total cost of ownership. Simple, reliable, affordable.
Niveplast. Passionate people.